What is up, everybody? It is officially 2021, and I wanted to do something a little bit different compared to what I normally do. Instead of doing a video all about tech and cinematography, which if you do enjoy those videos, make sure you hit the like button down below, subscribe, and turn on those bell notifications so you don't miss a single video. Today's video is going to be more personal. It's going to be more about me, it's going to be more about you, and it's going to be about a Q&A that I asked you guys to do on Twitter. But before we go into that, let's roll the brand new intro. Okay, honestly, tell me what you thought of that intro down in the comment section below, and while you're there, tell me if you want to see a tutorial on how I did it. So before we go into the Q&A, I do want to discuss a little bit of personal stuff, why I haven't been posting, and kind of what's new in my life, some big life updates essentially. So the very first one, if you follow me on Instagram, you would have already seen this, but I am officially an engaged man. Yes, I know, by the end of 2021, I will more than likely be married. Another big thing, and one of the biggest reasons as to why I really haven't been posting, is because back in October of 2020, I got wisdom teeth surgery. I got all 4 of my wisdom teeth out. What ended up happening was they hit a nerve in one of my teeth, and I have lost a lot of feeling down in my chin area, my lower lip, my teeth on the inside. Kind of weird. I am beginning to get a little bit of movement back into the lip, which is great. A little bit of feeling is coming back as well, so it doesn't seem to be completely permanent. So that's one of the biggest reasons why I did not post. So with that out of the way, I do want to discuss one more quick little thing, kind of what this entire channel is about. So I want this channel to be a fresh world of tech. What I want mainly for this channel is to inform, to entertain, and to teach people about the tech they may or may not be buying, or some of the tech they may already have. So yeah, I want people to know what they're about to get into. So that's what this channel is for to me. This channel is to entertain, inform, and just pretty much take people out of the world that they can get so caught up in and give them a fresh look on things. So that's why things have changed a little bit. You'll see branding, which is another big thing. If you have not seen that, go to my social media, go here. You will see some really cool, fresh looking branding with some leaves, some really cool stuff that I made from scratch, and yeah. So with that out of the way, let's hop right into some questions. And the first question actually comes from Sam der Vecht. Sam, I definitely did not pronounce that correctly, but they ask, what tech are you most excited for or hoping for in 2021? One of the biggest pieces of tech I am excited for in 2021 is the new M2 MacBook Pros, the 16 inches in specific. I want these 16-inch MacBook Pros because I need to upgrade very soon. This thing is a mid-2011 model. It is a beautiful laptop, and I've upgraded it to the T. It's an i5 processor with 16 gigs of RAM and 2 terabytes, 1 solid state, 1 hard disk. I removed the CD drive to add more extra space, and this was actually a multifunctioning machine with Mac and Windows fully installed on it, but I was not using Windows enough on this machine, so I decided to put it on an external hard drive. If you do want to see a video on that, let me know in the comments below. But I am super excited for the M2 Max because those, so far, the M1 Max, even the MacBook Air is blowing things out of the water. Along with that, and this is kind of up in the air at the moment, I am really excited and hoping that Apple decides to go with their new iPhone 13 launch with a Touch ID sensor somewhere on the phone. That's one of those things that I personally want and am hoping for in 2021. So Sam, thank you for the question. Those are some things that I am definitely hoping for and excited about in 2021. The next question comes from my friend Boomer at Jonathan's Life 1. He says, what are your goals for 2021? So one of the biggest goals I have for 2021 is to post consistent content on YouTube because I love creating content on YouTube. I love long form video and I love short form video, but long form video is something that I've always enjoyed. Along with that, the New Year's plan that everybody has, lose a little bit of weight, getting married, gotta look sexy. So the next question that I have is from my friend Alex HTMLL. Cool dude. He says, best time to be deep into your thoughts? Honestly, for me, the best time I go deep into my thoughts and I get some of the best ideas, the best just thoughts, I guess, what you would say. I most of the time get those at night, in the shower, or when I'm just blasting music in my ears. Those are the times where I get the best thoughts. Those are the times where I think the best and I can really focus because music allows me to focus on things that I may not have been able to focus on before. So those are the best times, in my opinion, Alex, where you can get your best thoughts. The next question, and one of the questions I wanted to leave actually at the end on purpose. So my friend Romeo says, will you ever be back on Byte? Yes, I will be back on Byte. And for those of you who don't know what Byte is Byte is a video platform essentially like Vine, but with a little bit longer time period. On there, of the course of early 2020, 2019, I was beta testing and I actually created a lot of followers on there, a lot of views, almost hit 1 million views on there within a few months of the app actually releasing. But yes, Romy, to answer your question, I will be coming back to Byte along with Clash and TikTok, so make sure you are following me on all those if you are not already. Those are all the questions you guys asked me on Twitter. I really enjoyed this type of video, so if you want to see me do another one of these, make sure you let me know down in the comment section below. Leave a like, hit subscribe, and turn on those bell notifications so that you don't miss the next video. Thank you so much for watching. All right, happy 2021. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.